Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we are at Bradenton Skatepark in Bradenton, Florida. It's your host John Reinhardt and Rome the Pitbull. Today we are testing out the GoPro Hero 11 Black and the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Alright, let's see what this park has to offer. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join us on our journey. As you can see, when they constructed this skate park, they followed the nice Florida trend of putting it under a bridge. Just take a look at how visibly more eroded that concrete is that is not underneath the bridge. I thought I was going to get most of my action shots with my GoPro, but the DJI Mavic 3 Classic really comes in handy. One thing I love about Florida skate parks is just how diverse they are, and Bradenton Skate Park is no exception.
I'm looking.
A couple walked by and assured us that dolphins play in this bay all the time, so Cassidy kept her eyes peeled, and I got the drone out. And then one final lap around the park. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. I would so greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next trip to the Sunshine Skyway Bridge in Tampa Bay.